Samsung Galaxy S24 series is here. So let's begin with the big boy, the S24 Ultra. One of the most immediately noticeable new features is the titanium frame. Along with the titanium frame, it has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 in the back and Corning Gorilla Glass armor in the front. It also comes with IP68, water and dust resistant. S24 Ultra comes in a wide range of colors, which are titanium grey, black, violet and yellow, and Samsung.com exclusive colors such as titanium blue, green and orange. Now let's talk about the camera. It has 12 megapixel ultra wide, 200 megapixel wide angle, 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom and 50 megapixel 5x optical zoom, and also 12 megapixel selfie camera. And just like previous Ultra versions, it also comes with a built-in S Pen. The other big change up front is the display. The S24 Ultra comes with a 6.8-inch 1440p flat display instead of a curved display. It has 2600 nits of brightness, which gives visual clarity in direct sunlight. The device is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 5000 mAh battery. The base variant comes with a 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory, and it will cost $1299. Now let's talk about S24 and S24 Plus. S24 and S24 Plus comes with an aluminum frame. There are 4 new colors, which are cobalt violet, amber yellow, onyx black and marble grey, and Samsung.com exclusive colors such as jet green, sapphire blue and sandstone orange. Now let's talk about the camera. Both S24 and S24 Plus have 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel wide angle, 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom and 12 megapixel selfie camera. S24 comes with 6.2-inch Full HD display and S24 Plus comes with 6.7-inch Quad HD display. Both S24 and S24 Plus will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in the USA and Exynos 2400 processor in other regions. S24 comes with 4000 mAh battery and S24 Plus comes with 4900 mAh battery. The price of S24 starts at $799 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. And the price of S24 Plus starts at $999 with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory. This year Samsung filled its new phone series with a handful of new AI features. The first one is Circle to Search. You can circle any part of the image and find details about it. The second one is Live Translate. This particular feature can translate phone calls in real time directly on your device. The other AI features are the Photo Assist, which will let you resize and move objects in your photos, the Chat Assist, which will let you translate and modify text before sending, and the Note Assist, which will let you summarize notes. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.